How to get unbanned from OmeTV. If any day you are OmeTV user and you get banned in your OmeTV and you would like to get unbanned from your OmeTV, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your mobile device, and after that, in the search section, you have to search Contact Support from OmeTV. Now, when you tap on Contact Support from OmeTV, now you can see an interface like this. Now, when you see an interface like this, now what you have to do is you have to search the very option on how to just contact with the OmeTV support here. Now you can see the various kind of option. You can tap on the OmeTV video chat support icon like this, and when you tap on this, you can see an interface like this. Now, when you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of contacts on the downside, and after that, now here you can see the email of the contact OmeTV. You have to tap on the contact and then open it on your Gmail. Now, after you open it on your Gmail, now you have to send a message to the very OmeTV that you had followed all the rules of OmeTV, but still you were banned from the OmeTV, and you also need to send the screenshot or any of the evidence of that, and you have to send the email to the OmeTV support section. And after the OmeTV support section receives it within 24 hours, your problem will be solved and you will be unbanned. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.